Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about the working of the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of three main things. First, the system of tubes, that is, they are called by the name blood vessels, which includes arteries, capillaries, and veins. And the second important thing is the heart. It is the pumping organ of the circulatory system, and it consists of four walls. These four walls make sure that the flow of blood will be in one direction. Apart from all these, coronary artery play a main role. These arteries send blood to the heart muscles. As we all know that all the tissues in the body need oxygen-rich blood to function effectively. So this coronary artery send the blood to the heart muscles and it will help for the effective functioning of the heart muscles. After oxidation in the heart muscles, the oxygenated blood will get converted into deoxygenated blood, and that blood has to be removed. So here the coronary vein or the cardiac veins, they play a main role in removing the deoxygenated from the heart muscles. So they will deliver the deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. From there, the blood flows back to the lungs for reoxygenation and removal of carbon dioxide. First, let us make it clear what is oxygenated blood and what is deoxygenated blood. So the blood that is rich in oxygen is called oxygenated blood. So after oxidation, all the oxygen will get converted into carbon dioxide. So that blood, it is called by the name deoxygenated blood. So we can say the deoxygenated blood as the blood which is not rich in oxygen. It usually carries carbon dioxide. Let us discuss about the flow chart of blood circulation. First, it started from the lungs. So when we inhale, oxygen enters the lungs and blood becomes oxygenated. So oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the heart through the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein delivers to the left auricle of the heart. And once the left auricle is filled, completely filled, the bicuspid wall present between the left auricle and the left ventricle open, and it allows the oxygenated blood to flow through the left ventricle. So once the blood flows to the left ventricle means the bicuspid wall closes, and it will prevent the backflow of the blood to the left auricle. So once the left ventricle is completely filled with oxygenated blood, then the aortic wall opens and the oxygenated blood is pushed to the aorta. And aortic wall makes sure that it won't allow the backflow of the oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. Then the aorta delivers oxygenated blood to each and every individual cells of the body. Once if the oxygenated blood enters the cell, oxidation of glucose takes place and the blood becomes deoxygenated. So glucose plus oxygen get converted into carbon dioxide, water, and along with that energy is also produced. So now it's the turn of vena cavas to carry the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body and deliver it to the right auricle. The superior vena cava, it will take the deoxygenated blood from upper portion of the body and deliver it to right auricle. And the inferior vena cavas take the deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body and deliver it to the right auricle. So from the right auricle, deoxygenated blood is pushed to the right ventricle through tricuspid wall. And the tricuspid wall will allow the blood in only one direction. It prevents the backflow of the blood to the right atrium. So after that, the tricuspid wall closes and the pulmonary wall opens. Pulmonary artery delivers deoxygenated blood from the right auricle to the lungs. So when the heart chambers relax, they are filled with blood. When the heart chambers contract, the blood is pushed out of them. So both the auricles relax and contract at the same time. All the chambers of the heart relax and contract. So in that, both the auricles relax and contract at the same time, and both the ventricles relax and contract at the same time. First, the auricle contraction will take place, and it is then followed by the ventricular contraction, and it goes on rhythmic manner. You can't believe, in a minute heart beats 72 times. Right side of the heart receives only deoxygenated blood, and left side of the heart receives only oxygenated blood. Both of them don't mix with each other because right side of the heart and left side of the heart is separated by the septum. The human circulatory system is called by the name double circulation. Why? Because the blood passes through the heart twice, and it has two separate circuits for the circulation. The one is pulmonary circuit and the second one is systemic circuit. The pulmonary circuit is between the heart and lungs. We all know that pulmonary refers to the lungs. So this pulmonary circuit is between the heart and the lungs. And the systemic circuit is between the heart and the other organs. In this diagram, what you are seeing is the double circulatory system present in humans. The top portion, it's showing the pulmonary circuit. It's the circulation between heart and the lungs. And the below portion, it is showing the systemic circuit. So here, the circulation is between the heart and other organs. So right side of the system deals with only deoxygenated blood, and left side of the system deals with only oxygenated. So here one more picture to show the double circulation in a clear way. Hope you understood about this topic clearly. Thank you.